Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into our University of Essex online account. So let's get started. So to log into your University of Essex online account, first of all what you have to do is just open up a browser. So you can select any browser you like. After opening up a browser, in search bar you can search for University of Essex login online. And after searching for this option, it will take you to this page, and from here what you can do is just tap on this first option which says our learning platform from University of Essex online. After tapping on that, you will direct to this website, and from here you can log into your account. To log into your account, what you have to do is just tap on the three bar icon which is on the top left corner of your screen. After tapping on the three bar icon, here you'll open up this page, and from here what you can do is just tap on the student login which is on the left side of your screen. After tapping on student login, now in order to log into your account, what you have to do is just enter your username and then enter your account's password. After entering your username and password, you can just tap on login. After tapping on login, you'll successfully log into your account. But if you have forgotten your account's password, then what you can do is just simply tap on forgot your password. After tapping on forgot your password, you can easily reset or record your account's password by creating a new one. So you can do that if you have forgotten your account's password. So just tap on forgot password and then create a new password. And that's it guys, this is how to log into your University of Essex. So that's it guys, this is how to log into your University of Essex online account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.